Hello, so in this video we're going to look at integration, the basics of integration, like the introduction. So part 1, you're looking at integration of 3x to the power 5, then this, yeah. So when integrating, the first thing that you have to know is that you just have to add 1 to the power. In this case I've got 5 as a power, so adding 1 to the power, so 5 plus 1, which gives us 6. After you're done with addition, what you have to know is that you have to get the new power that you've calculated and divide the whole thing by the power. So in this case, we have got power 6. So you divide the whole thing by power 6. You get that. Though in this example, 3 can go into 6. So we're going to simplify further. So 3 into 6 gives us 2. So the same power remains power 6, but 3 into 6 gives us 2. Remember, you always have to add the plus c after you're done integrating. Hope it makes sense. Let's go to part 2. The same thing, so you have to add power 1 to the power. So in this case, I've got power 3. So add 1 to power 3. So 1 plus 3 gives us 4. Here I've got power 1. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Remember, a number which has got no variable, which is just like this, you have to add x when you're integrating. When you're integrating, add x to a number which has got no variable, like in this case, so x. So after we're done adding 1 to this, 1 into that, and then you've added x to the number, then remember you have to divide the whole thing by the power. So in this case it's power 4, so this whole thing divided by 4, that's what we have here. This whole thing divided by power 2, that's what we have here. This whole thing divided by power 1, that's what we have here. So 1 into this is that, 2 into that, luckily they divide, so it's just x squared. 4 into this, nothing happens, so it remains the same. Then remember, you have to add power c when you're done with integration. And that's how you integrate. Hope it makes sense.